India. My name is Sunidhi.
Today we are standing here in front of you to deliver a speech on Republic Day. Before moving to work, I would like to wish you happy
We all are gathered here to celebrate the 73rd Republic Day of our country. On 26 January 1950, our nation got its constitution, and on 15 August 1947, it got independence from the British rule. However, our Constitution of India has came into the force on 26 January 1950, and since then we are celebrating Republic Day every year.
Republic means the citizen of the country hold the supreme power to elect representatives. Constitution gives all of us same right despite and differences on religions, colors and languages.
Along with development of the country, there are also some pitfalls which have came in the way. Unemployment and corruption has grown up very fast. So we should take the pledge to make our nation the best place.
Jai Hind, a very warm greetings to all the respectable persons present here. Today I would like to deliver a speech on Constitution of India. Our Constitution came into force on 26 November 1949. Our Constitution tells us how our country works. It gives certain valuable rights to all the citizens of India which are absent in other countries. An interesting point is that our Constitution is criticized a lot, but it will be reread by the other people. Other people had made their valuable contribution to forming a constitution. Our constitution is considered to be the longest written constitution in the world. It will be kept and preserved in the Parliament Library. It states the directive policy of Star Policy and the Part 4 of Constitution. Thank you all for giving me your...
I'm Sandy of 9th standard from St. Andrews Convent School. I am obliged and honored to give a speech on Republic Day. Republic Day celebrated every year on 26 January has a special significance in the history of India. To make this event memorable, the national event is celebrated every year with a joy, happiness and pride with our hearts, as we know came into effect, and so from that day with the Republic of our country. We all know that India got independence on 15 August 1947, but on however many discussion and consideration, a committee headed by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar submitted a draft of the Indian Constitution which was adopted on 26 November 1949 and officially came into effect on 26 1950. I wanna end this speech by saying that India is a democratic country. The citizens living in a democratic country enjoy a privilege to affect their leader, lead the country. Although there has been a lot of improvement till, they can also be said that they have been facing a few problems such as pollution, poverty, employment, etc. One thing we will become a between version of ourselves so that we could contribute to solving all these problems and making our nation better place. Thank you. Jai Hind.
From class 10, I am student of St. Andrews Convent School. आज मैं 26 जनवरी के दिन आपके सामने एक शायरी पेश करना चाहूँगा। गूंज रहा है दुनिया में भारत का नगारा, गूंज रहा है दुनिया में भारत का नगारा, चमक रहा है आसमान में देश का सितारा, चमक रहा है आसमान में देश का सितारा। आओ आज़ादी के दिन मिलकर करें कि दुआ की बुलंदियों पे लहराता रहे तिरंगा हमारा। जय हिंद, हैप्पी रिपब्लिक डे।
Freedom in mind, faith in God, pride in your heart, memory in your soul. Let's salute the nation on Republic Day. Happy Republic Day.
माँ की ममता को तोड़ आया हूँ। इस दिन के लिए वीरों ने अपना भरा खून बहाया। झूम उठो देशवासियों, गणतंत्र दिवस फिर आया। धन्यवाद।
नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप सबको गणतंत्र दिवस की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। आज हम आपके सामने गणतंत्र दिवस के अवसर पर कुछ शायरियाँ प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं। याद रखेंगे वीरों तुमको, यह बलिदान तुम्हारा है। हमको तो जान से प्यारा, यह गणतंत्र हमारा है। कांटों में भी फूल खिलाएं, इस धरती को स्वर्ग बनाएं। आओ सबको गले लगाएं, हम गणतंत्र का पर्व लगाएं। आन देश की शान देश की हम संतान हैं। 3 रंगों से रंगा तिरंगा, अपनी यही पहचान है। ना पूछो जमाने से कि क्या हमारी पहचान है, कि क्या हमारी कहानी है। हमारी पहचान तो यही है कि हम हिंदुस्तानी हैं, धन्यवाद।
बारी बारी ऋतुएं आती, अपनी छटा ये दिखलाती। फल फूलों से बड़े बगीचे, चिड़िया मीठे गीत सुनाती। देश मेरा ये सबसे न्यारा, कितना सुंदर कितना प्यारा। तैरना है तो समुंदर में तैरो, नालियों में क्या रखा है। प्यार करना है तो देश से करो, औरों में क्या रखा है। अपनी प्यारी दिलवाली को छोड़ आया हूँ, उसकी महकती हुई दिवाली को छोड़ आया हूँ। सीने से लगाएगी मेरी भारत माँ अपनी।
Freedom is worth having it if it does not include the freedom to make a mistake in the world. Happy Republic Day. Thank you.